Hello and welcome to the No Dig Norfolk Gardener, where we talk everything no dig and vegetables. You join us on Christmas Eve, and we want to harvest some bounty from our garden in order that we can eat it over the festive period, especially tomorrow. The result of the desiree crop. There's 6 plants in here, so what I would say is not our most successful harvest of the year. The plants we grew earlier in the year are obviously much better, but it is a much colder time of the year. We've had some very wet and cold weather throughout October and November. But hey, we have some new potatoes for Christmas Day. This is one of those rare occasions when I do need the use of a fork. It's not to dig a hole, it's to try and loosen the soil around the parsnip. Because I do get asked quite a few questions about how do you grow things like carrots and parsnips. You've seen the result of our carrots earlier in the year. Parsnips too grow perfectly well in no dig soil. There we go. That's grown quite perfectly straight and true. This is a variety called Gladiator. Yeah, I'm pleased with that. Oh. As you can see, the parsnips grow perfectly well in no-dig soil. Some fine examples of some lovely parsnips. And I'm trying to think, I planted this seed back at the beginning of May. So they are quite a long crop. They're in the ground for quite a while. These should be particularly good because last night, but the night before, we had a -6 frost. So that should have helped to sweeten things up. But yeah, really pleased with that. Here we are back with the purple sprouting broccoli, and remember 3 weeks back we released a video onto YouTube where we cut, where they were ready, the central heads of some of these plants. Now they're not all ready because these were done as a staggered growth. So I sowed some seed, then left it a couple of weeks or so and sowed some more seed. So the ones down this end have yet to produce their central head. So therefore, hopefully, by my reckoning, we should continue to be able to eat this through January. When we have cut the head, this is where you need to come back and keep an eye out for the regrowth, because it will sprout, as its name says, purple sprouting broccoli. You see how easily the knife is going. That's going to be so tender, all that stem, so don't waste the stem. Really lovely, really lovely. This is a variety called Rudolph, which is very apt, being it's Christmas Eve. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue taking whatever is on the plants like this, and yeah, we should be enjoying that. Here we have it then, our Christmas harvest. What a bounty it was. We've got parsnips, leeks, carrots, sprouts, some lovely purple sprouting broccoli, Swedes, celeriac, and all that will be used tomorrow. So here we are then, almost to the end of another year. A year that's been really good to us. Going over to No Dig has been really successful. We've seen the harvest that we've taken out of the garden this afternoon, ready for tomorrow. Got our Christmas tree all up, and I told you he was an old fire dog. You much prefers it in here this time of the year. Loves being out in the sun. Anyway, what I did just want to say was a big shout out to you all, everyone who's subscribed to my channel. We really do appreciate it. And to Mike, I hope that your garden's going really well over there in Herefordshire. Oh, and to Ali, who watches us over there in Canada, you sent me a comment a few videos back when we had our chilies. Well, we made some chili jam. And I look forward to having that with my cheese and biscuits over the festive period. Really, that just leads me to wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching the channel, everybody, regardless whether you've subscribed or not. I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas and a very happy and healthy New Year.